In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Horizon Zero Dawn on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box. And now you can type in Horizon Zero Dawn to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. You can choose between the remastered and the original version. Once you scroll down from the game page, you can click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then click on View My Cart to proceed towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials and your billing information, and you can save this for later use as well. Once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your installation directory to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Horizon Zero Dawn game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Horizon Zero Dawn on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.